In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to move desktop icons from left, they usually placed, to the right side over here, and how we can do this. So let's get started. So usually if you wanted to move the icons from left to right and rearrange it from the left side over here on your desktop, this is what we have to do. So the first thing, you need to go over here and click on anywhere on the desktop. Now from here we need to go to the view. And what you need to do is from here you have to scroll it down, and there is an option called auto arrange icons. You have to uncheck this. That is what you have to do. Then go back to the view once again. Make sure align to icons to the grid is being turned on, or you put a check on this over here like this, and make sure this is unchecked. And afterwards what you need to do is we just need to move the icons to the left side over here. To the right side. So I'll bring this up over here and I'll keep it. So what happens is it aligned like the way as it is. We'll be aligning just the usual way over here like this. I can do this. This is for the individual app. If I wanted to bring the multiple app, then I have to just go over here, select like this. Then I just need to move it so it will move properly, because we just aligned into the grid properly over here like this. So it is moved over here like this. Now, and as you can see, you can move it freely, and also you can select all kind of things and you can move it. That is also possible. And this is how we can do this. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.